Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat messages not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat messages not founding or not showing, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this page of app and for you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.